Edo 2020. Belle sweet us well on top Oba of Benin Peace Accord, but we still want to make police call Oshiomhole to order. Na Chris Nehihari, na him talk this one. Publicity Secretary of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) for Edo State, Chris Nehihari, don yarn say belle sweet them well on top all the better things wey Oba of Benin, Oba Ewuare II tell them for im palace. But PDP still dey call on the police force say make dem call former APC chairman wey dem sack, Comrade Adams Oshiomhole, to order, as na him be the gang leader wey dey cause all the gbege wey still dey shele to their members and supporters for Edo North. He tell Tori people this one for the press briefing wey he follow them do for PDP campaign office on Thursday, September 3rd, 2020.
I'd like to start by talking about the Royal Majesty's peace meeting yesterday. As a political party, we are very excited. We're very excited for the timely intervention of His Royal Majesty in the very embarrassing situation we found ourselves when shooting had become the order of the day, especially in Edo North Senatorial District of Edo State. The overcalled main contenders on the political parties spoke to us like a father would and made the two candidates, governor and also the candidate of the APC, to say that they will do everything within their powers to reduce the tension in the state, and also all these shootings, all these thugs, command will be told for them to please sheath their swords. And at the same time, Edo PDP also want to say that criminals were at no time given amnesty by that meeting of yesterday. PDP as a party and His Excellency Governor Obaseki as the Chief Security Officer of the state, together with the Commissioner of Police and the IG of the Federation, will continue to investigate all known cases of breach of the peace, attempts to assassinate, cause bodily harm, injure, shoot, destroy property of members of any of the political parties, not just of PDP, but of both political parties. And this, we think, is the right way to go, so that if anybody is hopefully indicted, prosecuted, and jailed, to send a serious message to all those who think election time is free for all to become recalcitrant and become a nuisance to themselves and society. I think it's also important that as a political party, we think the police is not doing enough in this trying to stop these criminals. And the head of the gang, which we don't know, but we have credible information, and we'd like to say it here that we want the police to execute a search warrant on the residence of Adams Oshiomhole, both in Benin and Ewuare, because most of the attacks have been traced to his residence, as whenever they hit anybody in Edo North Senatorial District, their vehicles are seen driving towards the Ewuare residence of Oshiomhole. They drive in and nobody goes in there to carry out the investigation any further. So I think it's time for the police to execute search warrants, not just for arms and ammunition, but for thugs that are resident there and staying there and using it as cover to come out to attack members of PDP and the general public, especially in the Edo North Senatorial District. We are disappointed that the former governor has turned himself into a pain in this election. We have at least two other former governors who are resident in Edo State, Chief Ewuare and Lucky Pinedium. So I'd like to use the opportunity to call on him to act like the statesman is supposed to be, to call for peace and call his boys to order. PDP is directly saying that Mr. Adams Oshiomhole, former governor of Edo State and disgraced national chairman of APC, should call his boys to order, to stop using his house as a hideout for thugs and criminals.
This one are the ogbonge informate wey we don bring come give una on top inside Edo today. As Chris Nehihari don yarn say belle sweet them well on top Oba of Benin Peace Accord, but dem still want make police call Oshiomhole to order. make una sabi say na TMC TV na im carry dis ogbonge informate come give una, and my name na Oiza Aboriogbe.